Most students get this completely wrong. They think the Erasmus scholarship is just a simple exchange program for a few months. It's not. The biggest mistake? Not realizing that Erasmus can fully fund your entire degree across multiple countries in Europe. Here's the truth no one tells you. Erasmus scholarships are one of the most powerful and flexible study abroad opportunities in the world. But most students either misunderstand how it works or never apply. And that's why they miss out. In this video, I'm going to break down Erasmus scholarships step by step. You'll learn what it really is, how it works, who can apply, and the exact strategy to increase your chances of getting selected. By the end, you'll have a clear plan to study in Europe with full financial support. Let's get straight into it. First, what is Erasmus? Erasmus is a program funded by the European Union. It supports education, training, and mobility across European countries. But here's where most people get confused. There are different types of Erasmus programs. The one you should focus on is Erasmus Mundus. Now here's where it gets interesting. Erasmus Mundus joint master degrees allow you to study in multiple European countries during your program. For example, you might study one semester in France, another in Germany, and another in Spain. But here's the problem. Most students don't know this. They think they have to stay in one country. Now let's talk about funding. Erasmus scholarships are fully funded. They usually cover tuition fees, monthly living allowance, travel costs, and insurance. Now here's the key point. The monthly allowance is designed to cover your living expenses in Europe, so you don't need to worry about finances. But here's where it gets interesting. The amount may vary depending on the program. Now let's talk about eligibility. You need a bachelor's degree or be in your final year. You need a strong academic record. And you need to meet language requirements. But here's the problem. Many students think only top rankers get selected. That's not true. Your overall profile matters. Now let's talk about language requirements. Most programs are in English, so you need IELTS or TOEFL. But here's a smart tip. A higher score improves your chances. Now let's talk about the application process. This is where everything becomes clear. First, choose the right program. Second, check eligibility. Third, prepare your documents. Fourth, apply before the deadline. Simple steps, but very powerful. Now here's where most people fail. Choosing the wrong program. You need to select programs that match your background. Now let's talk about documents. You need transcripts, a statement of purpose, letters of recommendation, CV, and proof of language proficiency. But here's the problem. Students rush their applications and submit weak documents. Now here's where it gets interesting. Statement of purpose. This is your most important document. Explain your goals. Explain why you chose the program. Explain how it fits your career. Be clear and specific. Now let's talk about letters of recommendation. Choose people who know you well. Strong recommendations can boost your chances. Now let's talk about deadlines. Erasmus deadlines are usually between October and January. But here's the problem. Students start preparing too late and miss out. Now let's talk about a real example. Rahul started preparing 1 year in advance. He researched programs, improved his profile, and prepared strong documents. He got selected. Now compare that to Alex. He applied last minute. His application was weak. He got rejected. So, preparation matters. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Multiple applications. You can apply to multiple Erasmus programs. This increases your chances. Now let's talk about interviews. Some programs require interviews. You may be asked about your goals and plans. Be honest and confident. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Applying late. Submitting generic statements. Ignoring program requirements. All of these reduce your chances. Now let's talk about strategy. Start early. Choose the right programs. Prepare strong documents. Apply to multiple options. Now here's a key insight. Erasmus is looking for students with potential, not just high grades. They want motivated students with clear goals. Now let's talk about benefits. You study in multiple countries. You gain international exposure. You build a strong network. And you graduate with a prestigious degree. Now let's talk about long-term impact. Erasmus graduates often have better career opportunities. They stand out in the job market. Now let's bring everything together. Erasmus scholarships are fully funded programs that allow you to study across Europe. They cover tuition, living expenses, and travel. But they require careful planning, strong applications, and early preparation. If you follow the right strategy, your chances increase significantly. Now here's the final insight. The students who get Erasmus scholarships are not always the smartest. They are the most prepared. They understand the system. They apply strategically. And they present their story clearly. So don't assume it's too difficult. Start early. Stay focused. And take action. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more scholarship guides, and comment below if you want help finding the right Erasmus program for your profile. Because the more prepared you are now, the closer you are to studying in Europe for free. And that's exactly what you want. I'll see you in the next video.